Sugaw kayo. Iti founder, Kitara Foundation, Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Nagataparang, Barangay Captain Ruel Bandolion and Agawan, MSWDO, Ma'am Hershon, iti guest speaker kayo itanagdahon, Ma'am Tony, Porata, Padat na nagana, pag-itubing nagmubihat, and amin yung mga tari-uwi na nagsak, and nagasat at bigat na luhan. Congratulations, Ubi. In behalf of the parents of Clara Foundation, Alinayan Childhood Development Center, I would like to express our great appreciation to Clara Foundation, especially to our benefactor, Ma'am Jennifer Nananatawa and family, for her tireless effort and support to the learners of Clara Foundation. Her commitment inspires us every day as we grateful to have you as a key part of our learner center. To Ma'am Celestina, Ma'am Oliva, Sir Roel, agyaman kami, tiyayak, and honest you, na nangisusuro kadagitian natin. Again, big congratulations and good luck to your next year. Thank you and good day everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Jacqueline Desnal.